Did you know that our ancestors always ate with the seasons? It's true, they didn't have a choice. Before grocery stores, food came from nearby farms and changed with the weather. This natural way of eating is called seasonal eating. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about better health and a healthier planet. Here at Holistic Wellness Realm, we believe in living in harmony with nature, and that includes our diets. Our bodies thrive on fresh, local produce. Seasonal eating gives us just that. It's time to rediscover the simple joy of eating with the seasons. Let's learn how to bring this ancient wisdom to our modern lives. In this video, we'll explore the healing power of seasonal eating. We'll discover the benefits, the practical tips, and even the cultural connections. If you're ready to nourish your body and connect with the Earth's rhythms, keep watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more holistic health tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's embark on this journey to wellness together. Seasonal eating is simple. It means eating foods that naturally grow in a particular season. Think juicy watermelon in summer and hearty squash in fall. Our bodies crave these foods instinctively. They provide the nutrients we need most at different times of the year. When we eat seasonally, we eat foods at their peak freshness. This means they're bursting with flavor and nutrients. No more bland, out-of-season tomatoes. Seasonal eating is about savoring the true taste of real food. Imagine biting into a perfectly ripe peach on a hot summer day. That's the joy of seasonal eating. It's about connecting with the natural rhythms of our bodies and the earth. Seasonal eating goes hand in hand with eating locally. When we eat what's in season, we naturally eat what's grown nearby. This supports local farmers and reduces our carbon footprint. Transporting food over long distances requires a lot of energy. It also means the food is picked before it's ripe. This affects its taste and nutritional value. When you buy local, you know exactly where your food comes from. You can even talk to the farmers who grew it. It's a more personal and sustainable way to eat. Eating seasonally opens up a world of flavors you might not even know existed. Have you ever tried a fresh fig straight from the tree? Or roasted a butternut squash to perfection? Each season brings a new bounty of flavors to explore. Spring offers delicate asparagus and sweet peas. Summer bursts with juicy berries and vibrant tomatoes. Fall brings earthy root vegetables and crisp apples. And winter warms us with hearty greens and citrus fruits. The possibilities are endless. Eating seasonally is an adventure for your taste buds. It's a chance to rediscover the joy of real whole foods. Imagine your body as a garden. Just like plants need the right nutrients to thrive, so do we. Seasonal eating offers a natural way to nourish ourselves with the vitamins and minerals our bodies crave. Each season brings a unique set of nutrients. For example, summer fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants and vitamins C and A. These nutrients help protect our skin from sun damage and boost our immune system. In the fall, root vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots provide us with beta-carotene. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and immune function. Winter squashes and citrus fruits offer vitamin C and fiber. These nutrients help us fight off colds and keep our digestive systems healthy during the colder months. Many modern health problems stem from diets filled with processed foods and sugar. These foods lack the essential nutrients our bodies need to function properly. Seasonal eating can help combat these issues. By focusing on fresh, whole foods, we naturally reduce our intake of processed ingredients and added sugars. This simple shift can have a profound impact on our health. Studies show that eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These include heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Seasonal eating also helps regulate our digestion. When we eat fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, we support a healthy gut microbiome. This, in turn, strengthens our immune system and improves overall well-being. Antioxidants are powerful compounds found in fruits and vegetables. They protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are bursting with antioxidants. Berries, leafy greens, and brightly colored vegetables are particularly rich in these protective compounds. By eating seasonally, we ensure we're getting a variety of antioxidants throughout the year. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body. chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants can help combat inflammation and protect our bodies from these conditions. It's like giving our cells an extra layer of armor against disease. Now that you understand the benefits of seasonal eating, you might be wondering, how do I start? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Shift your mindset to the natural bounty available right outside your door. Start by connecting with your local farmers market. Farmers markets are treasure troves of seasonal goodness. You'll find the freshest produce, often picked that very morning. Take your time to stroll through the stalls, chat with the farmers, and savor the vibrant colors and aromas. Let's take a delicious journey through the year, exploring the seasonal highlights each season offers. Remember, these are just a few examples, and the specific offerings will vary depending on your location. Spring is a time of renewal and vibrant flavors. Look for tender asparagus, leafy greens like spinach and arugula, sweet peas, radishes, and the first strawberries of the season. Summer bursts forth with an abundance of juicy fruits and vegetables. Indulge in ripe tomatoes, colorful bell peppers, zucchini, cucumbers, watermelon, cantaloupe, berries of all kinds, and sweet corn on the cob. As the weather cools, embrace the earthy flavors of fall. Enjoy hearty squashes like butternut and acorn, root vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes and beets, crisp apples, pears, and pomegranates. While it might seem like there's less variety in winter, there are still plenty of delicious and nourishing options. Look for citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, leafy greens like kale and collards, Brussels sprouts, parsnips, and winter squashes. Here are a few practical tips to help you make seasonal eating a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Plan your meals around what's in season. Check out local farmers markets or online resources to see what's currently available. Get creative in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques. Preserve the bounty. When fruits and vegetables are at their peak, consider freezing, canning, or drying them to enjoy later. Be flexible. Not everything has to be perfectly seasonal all the time. If you're craving a specific food that's out of season, opt for a frozen or canned version that was harvested and preserved at its peak. Make it a family affair. Get your loved ones involved in choosing recipes, shopping for produce, and preparing meals. Remember, seasonal eating is a journey, not a race. Start small, be patient with yourself, and savor the delicious rewards of eating in harmony with nature. We've talked about the amazing health benefits of seasonal eating, but there's another important aspect we can't ignore: its impact on our planet. Our food choices have a direct effect on the environment, and seasonal eating is a powerful way to reduce our ecological footprint. Think about it. When we eat out of season, we're essentially demanding that nature bend to our desires. We want strawberries in winter and pumpkins in spring. To meet these demands, food is shipped thousands of miles, often requiring refrigeration, packaging, and transportation methods that contribute to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing locally grown, seasonal foods, we're working with nature, not against it. We're supporting a more sustainable food system that respects the Earth's natural rhythms and reduces the environmental burden of long-distance transportation. Imagine a world where our food travels a shorter distance from the farm to our plates. That's the power of seasonal eating. Have you ever stopped to consider the journey your food takes before it reaches your plate? For many of the foods we consume out of season, that journey can be incredibly long, spanning continents and crossing oceans. This globalized food system comes at a cost. Transportation emissions from ships, planes, and trucks contribute significantly to air pollution and climate change. Furthermore, the need to preserve foods for long-distance travel often involves packaging materials that end up in landfills, further burdening our environment. When we choose to eat seasonally and locally, we're shortening that journey dramatically. We're supporting farmers in our communities and reducing the demand for foods that require extensive transportation and resource-intensive preservation methods. This shift towards a more localized food system is a vital step in creating a more sustainable future. Imagine the positive impact of supporting farms in your region, knowing that your food choices are contributing to a healthier planet. The choices we make at the dinner table might seem small, but they have a ripple effect on the world around us. By embracing seasonal eating, we're not just nourishing our bodies with nutrient-rich foods, we're also taking a stand for a more sustainable and just food system. When we support local farmers, we're investing in our communities. We're preserving farmland, creating jobs, and fostering a sense of connection between people and the land that sustains them. We're also supporting farming practices that are better for the environment, such as reducing the use of pesticides and promoting biodiversity. Every time we choose a locally grown apple over an imported one, or enjoy a salad made with greens from a nearby farm, we're casting a vote for a healthier planet. We're acknowledging the interconnectedness of our health, the well-being of our communities, and the sustainability of our planet. Remember, change starts with small steps. By embracing the simple act of eating with the seasons, we can make a big difference for ourselves, our communities, and our planet. Cultures worldwide honor the changing seasons with unique culinary traditions. These celebrations express gratitude for the Earth's bounty and strengthen community bonds. In Japan, Hanami picnics celebrate cherry blossoms with seasonal bento boxes. Mexico's Day of the Dead features altars with seasonal fruits and pan de muerto. Food connects us to our heritage and celebrates life's milestones. When we embrace seasonal eating, we're not just adopting a healthier lifestyle, we're tapping into a timeless wisdom passed down through generations. Our ancestors lived in close relationship with the land, their diets dictated by the ebb and flow of the seasons. They understood that nature provides what we need, when we need it. By incorporating seasonal eating into our modern lives, we can rediscover the sacredness of food and its power to nourish our bodies and souls. In a world dominated by fast food and convenience, it's easy to lose sight of the simple joys of gathering around a table and sharing a meal prepared with care. Seasonal eating offers us a chance to slow down, savor the flavors of fresh, whole foods, and reclaim the table as a place of connection, gratitude, and community. When we make the effort to cook with seasonal ingredients, we naturally become more mindful of where our food comes from, the work that went into growing it, and the nourishment it provides. This awareness fosters a sense of gratitude for the farmers, the land, and the natural cycles that sustain us. Sharing a meal with loved ones deepens our bonds, creates lasting memories, and reminds us of the importance of slowing down and appreciating the simple pleasures in life. Imagine the transformative power of gathering your loved ones around a table laden with the bounty of the season. Each bite a celebration of connection, gratitude, and the joy of shared experience. As we've journeyed through the seasons, we've discovered the profound healing power of aligning our diets with nature's rhythms. Seasonal eating isn't just a trendy diet. It's a way of life that nourishes our bodies, sustains our planet, and connects us to a rich tapestry of cultural traditions. When we embrace the simplicity of eating with the seasons, we invite a symphony of flavors and nutrients into our lives. We savor the sweetness of summer berries, the earthy richness of autumn squashes, the bright tang of winter citrus, and the delicate freshness of spring greens. Each bite becomes a celebration of nature's abundance and a testament to the interconnectedness of our well-being and the health of our planet. Imagine a life where your meals are a vibrant reflection of the world around you, your body and mind energized by the life force present in every sun-kissed fruit and earth-grown vegetable. As we conclude our exploration of seasonal eating, we invite you to join this growing movement of conscious eaters who are rediscovering the joy of real food, grown with care and consumed with gratitude. It's time to reclaim our place at the table, to savor the flavors of the earth, and to nourish ourselves in a way that honors our bodies, our communities, and our planet. Start small. Visit your local farmer's market. Experiment with a new seasonal recipe. Plant a herb garden on your windowsill. Every step you take towards embracing seasonal eating is a step towards a healthier, more sustainable, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of seasonal eating. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more tips on living a healthier and more fulfilling life.